Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Dee.
I'm Kelly.
I am Dee.
Honest, you're not lying.
And we are Sisters of Stitchcraft.
Yeah.
That went really well, considering we had that little break
Yes.
discussing my cup being incorrectly held.
Yeah, we did good. We did good. So today we're coming to you to share
Another unboxing. Oh. We haven't got our addresses on.
It's our Studio 77 bag maker's box.
Look, mine's unopened.
Mine's not. Surprise,
Just
surprise.
Excellent. So what we got going on here then?
Wow, Dee, it's like the best box ever for me. No two ways about it.
I haven't opened it yet. I don't know. It's here.
It certainly is.
It's here.
Yeah.
I love that she uses this shredded paper stuff.
Yeah. Although I find it harder to get stuff out of it sometimes, but yes, it is.
So,
good.
ooh.
I know, should we go with that first?
Ooh.
I
It's got Kelly's name written
know.
all over it.
Oh, I know.
So
It's
what are we
like
going
my
with first?
favourite. Let's do this
Look
first.
at this. Webby.
Embossed with handmade.
That is
and
so cool. I can't.
it is.
That is stunning.
And purple's my favourite colour.
That is so cool.
Isn't it amazing? Oh my god, Dee, honestly, when I opened this box and looked at it, I was just like, oh my god, I love it. So Emma, well done.
That is fantastic.
Thank you.
I've never seen anything like that.
I know.
Wow. Love,
No.
love.
How amazing is it, honestly? So do you want to go for the little bags first?
Yeah,
Or
we've
do you
got
want to find the
stickers.
stickers?
You've got stickers?
I've got stickers. I don't know if I can find
Stickers?
them or not. Oh, there they are. Which I actually
Ooh, how does
thought
that sound back?
I love very much. Congrats on being part of the Makers Movement.
And bag maker on the front.
Purple and shiny. And this
And
one
then-
I absolutely love. It's totally me.
Yeah, love that. Can I
Yes,
just walk around like that?
No, I won't hem your jeans. I have lost count of how many times people have asked me if
People
I
have
can
stopped
do
me now.
things for them,
Yeah.
and I'm like, oh no, I'm not good enough yet. I haven't got the confidence to do that yet. No.
No.
One of
People
my
have stopped asking me now.
one of my close friends asked me if I could make trousers, and I was like, well, I can make trousers because
But
I
not
have.
you.
But her daughter, who is possibly 13 now, don't know if she's even 13 yet, but she is taller than me. She's got longer legs than me, and she just cannot get any trousers to fit her, and it's heartbreaking.
Yeah.
She literally is wearing less than 3/4 length, if you like. They're not even like ankle slingers, they're like halfway up her calf, bless her, because that's the only length trousers she can find, bar buying men's. And to get them long enough, she has to get her like a 40-inch waist or something. So she's just desperate for some trousers that fit her. So I will give her my friend's details and said, oh, I do know somebody who might be able to do it. But making it for somebody else is not my bag yet.
I
Maybe
make
one
tops for my
day.
mum, but usually for presents.
Maybe one day.
So we've got 2 bags. 3 bags.
I know, 2 bags.
Oh, sorry, and a tea bag. 4 bags.
These are chocolate digestives flavour.
Oh,
Interesting.
very interesting.
Interested to try that. From what I can see, everything's vegan inside. It's got licorice root in it, which concerns me a bit because I don't like licorice.
I do like licorice,
But
but
I'll
I'm
give it a
not
go.
sure on chocolate and tea. Chocolate and coffee I get. Don't
And
like
chocolate
it, but
biscuits
I get
dipped into it.
it. Yeah.
So yes, you're right, Dee. You've got 3 bags.
Loads of bags!
So exciting. Do you want to open this one first?
Well, you know what's in there.
I do.
So I'll be guided by you.
It's not my favourite thing out of all of them, but I will show you my favourite thing in a minute. Mate. Lobster clasp, swivel one, purple.
Oh
It is
my
purple. There's a theme. And so yeah,
These
you've got the
are
triangular
stunning.
D-ring things,
Yeah.
also purple.
I love these are really
Reminds
good.
me a lot of the tulip pink bits which they do, which is normally a rainbow.
Right,
But a
okay.
similar,
I love that.
very similar thing.
But
how
they
beautiful.
are stunning. Yeah, very good. Which one next, Kelly?
This one.
I haven't got that one. Is that one?
Yes, that one.
That confused us for a minute.
I know.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this. Handmade little
scissors.
Decoration things. Oh, I love these. I've got plain ones, but I've not got any that they're with the scissors on.
Oh, it's upside down. The scissors go that way.
Oh yes, they do.
How beautiful are they?
Stunning.
Can you imagine? That was the first thing that I opened. I was just like, oh my god. Oh my god.
Wow. I mean, I know we say this every time, but Emma.
I don't know how you do it. I really don't. I said on the Facebook group.
I was like, everything. Some things.
I was like,
oh
no. My god, and it couldn't be more me. So, now I've managed to lose one of the screws out of this already. As soon as I unboxed it, there's 2 screws. Have you got 2?
No, I've only got 1.
Oh, I had 2. See, when it was in the bag, it made this noise. And I thought it was a bow. And I was very excited. But do you know what it is?
Oh, I don't know what it is.
It's a tassel holder.
Oh, that's cute.
But it's purple.
I only seem to have one.
But I had 2 screws.
120.
But everyone else only seems to have had 1. So maybe I was only really meant to have 1. But that dingling, I really thought it was a bow. Emma, could you get us a bow, please? It's like bows. I love a little jingle bow. But yeah, no, beautiful.
Oh, that's really cute.
Isn't it beautiful?
I didn't even know that was a thing.
And that would take a substantial...
No, I think there should be 2 screws, look.
There's 2 holes, isn't there?
No, they don't fit in there. No, they don't.
I don't know. But maybe you only really need 1. Yeah. But I definitely had 2, and now
I think I've only got 1.
Okay, so and everyone else, from what I can see, has only got 1. So I've watched the unboxings as well.
I obviously haven't because I hadn't unboxed mine, so I wanted it to be a surprise. This is amazing.
But not late.
Oh, hang on. Did I hear a clunk then? Yes. I have got another screw. There it is. It fell out of the bag.
I don't know where mine is. I've lost it completely. But there we go. Nothing unusual for me.
Ooh, this is pretty.
How pretty is it? So it's purple and blue.
That's lovely. I love those colours.
Looking, isn't
it?
And that is Abandoned Electric Elements.
Oh, I love it.
And Free Spirit. This fabric is designed to have de-stressed appearance with printed imperfections. How fabulous is that?
It's like magical, isn't it?
It is beautiful. And apparently good for a lining or an outer.
Yes, definitely, because it's of good quality.
Yeah.
It's almost, it would almost be a shame to do it as a lining though.
It would. It would. It would, yes.
But it depends if you had
Depends
like
what you're going to make.
I mean, that would have gone really nice with the faux leather.
That's what I was thinking, that purple faux leather.
Yeah, but I've already used all that, so.
It would also be a nice lining for the...
Did you have that one?
No, that was before I started getting it. It would also go really nicely as a lining for the... Do you remember the iridescent purpley faux leather that
Still got that?
I've still got that too, so it would be quite nice.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe. It would go with many things, I'm sure.
Bag.
But yes, so and then obviously you've got your leaflet that she gives us that tells you everything you've got in there. So that was designer quilting cotton from Tim Holtz, who I've never heard of because we're not quilters. 2 purple handmade tags.
Oh yes, purple tassel cap.
Yes, purple D-ring, purple lobster clasps.
Oh, that purple, Kelly. Purple.
I know, it's just like I was like you couldn't have chosen if you were choosing it for me. It couldn't have been more perfect. And the handmade embossed webbing, 2 stickers and 1 tea bag. And
then some ideas of what to make.
And coupons in here. we get some coupons in here, so we get a discount off of the bag makers patterns that Emma recommends or highlights. So
have you seen?
No.
Emma's Spencer Ogg as well. There's quite a few people involved in it. The bag makers bundle at the moment.
I have seen it.
I think I might get that.
Oh really?
It's really, really good.
It's a really good bundle, but I just haven't got the money right now.
It's
so I thought about, I know it is.
It's a ridiculous price.
I know.
And I do make bags more than you.
I mean, I think it's something
You're
like
only new to
20,
bag making,
24 pounds, isn't it? I think for all of them, and there's so many patterns.
Oh, it's 20, but it might be 24. But yeah, it's worth
might be
a couple of £100 if you were to add each one up. And I think the reason is I like it because I know there's good designers in there. You've got Emma, you've got Spencer Ogg, you've got a couple of others that I've heard of.
90% off, basically.
Yeah, I would. Yeah. Definitely check it out.
I have thought about it, I'm not going to lie, and I have.
Hopefully this video will go out before I think it's till Wednesday, so hopefully we'll get this video out before then.
Richie! Anyway, that, and we do have a discount code. Do we put that on the bottom?
Sisters, I believe. And I tell you what, it's really lovely when people use it and they thank us. Some people say, don't they?
Yeah, we use that, and I've got my first box come in, and it's like, it's so lovely.
So I love it when people use that discount.
Why not? Use the discount.
Definitely.
For sure.
So, yes.
Anyway,
another month of our Bag Makers book.
Love them.
Thanks, Emma.
Thanks, Emma. Happy sewing.
See you later. Happy sewing.